your protection move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent... Thunderstorm Warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties: Burlington, Kansas, and the following counties: Pennsylvania, Oregon, and Philadelphia.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:40 p.m. for the following counties: Burlington, Kansas, immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are fortunate to be stuck on the lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this wind and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, and Mercer, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Bucks, and Philadelphia.